In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to become a Webflow expert in 2026 4 levels. If you're aiming to learn efficiently and build real confidence in Webflow, this 4-level path will guide you from your first clicks to professional quality results, using resources that are already at your fingertips. We'll start right inside Webflow. When you open the platform, you'll see built-in prompts and tutorial suggestions that appear as you work. Don't skip these. Treat them like mini lessons tied to exactly what's on your screen. Follow a prompt, try the action on a simple practice project, and then repeat it without guidance to lock it in. If a concept feels fuzzy, like positioning, flexbox, or interactions, pause, rewind, and try variations. A helpful habit is to keep one sandbox site specifically for experiments so you can break things, undo them, and rebuild without worrying about a live project. Next, head to the Learn button at the top of the interface to open Webflow University. This is your structured classroom. The lessons are organized from fundamentals to advanced topics with clear walkthroughs that map directly to the designer you're using. Choose a track that matches your current goal, maybe layout basics, CMS setup, or animation, and commit to completing the series, not just cherry-picking videos. Use playback speed controls and transcripts to learn at your pace. Pause to implement each step in your own project, and test yourself by rebuilding a small section from memory. This is where scattered knowledge turns into a solid, repeatable workflow. Once you're comfortable with the fundamentals, expand your perspective with online courses, both free and paid. Look for project-based classes that build a site from brief to launch so you can see decisions in context. Content planning, responsive strategy, interactions, and handoff. Check the syllabus and learner reviews, follow along in your own file, and adapt the design to your niche instead of copying pixel for pixel. The goal is to develop taste and problem solving, not just replicate screens. When you finish a course, summarize 3 takeaways you'll apply on your next build. Finally, explore the ebooks in Webflow's resource library. These deep dives are great for topics that benefit from slow reading and note-taking, like design systems, accessibility, performance, and SEO. Download a guide, highlight key principles, and turn them into a checklist you run before every launch. Revisit these references as your projects get more complex. They'll help you build consistently and avoid common mistakes. Congratulations. Follow these 4 levels in a loop. Learn with prompts, structure with university, broaden with courses, and reinforce with ebooks. With steady practice, you'll move from beginner to expert, one focused session at a time.